Hi everyone, my name is Yohjit Chopra and my student ID is 222197225. This is a video presentation of the task D1 of the unit 112 Introduction to Data Science. And in this data science project, we delved into YouTube data analysis, uncovering insights from video and comment datasets. So I'll walk you through the data and cleaning process. As mentioned above, we need at least 300 comments, so we'll remove the videos that have fewer comments than 300. And none of the videos have dislikes, and so we can drop the dislike column. I will also drop the live upcoming none column as like there's the same value in that column, as well as we won't need that column for the analysis. So that's how I drop the column. This is how I drop the comment column. Drop the comments that are less than 300, and this is how I drop the dislike and live upcoming comment. In the comment part, in the comment.csv, uh, as you can see that we cannot, by video ID, we do not know which comment is from which video or from which channel. So what I did is I merged both of the um, comment.csv as well as the video.csv file and added title, channel title, and other significant details like video title, channel title. So that's how I cleaned and prepared my data. Okay, so now let's analyze data. I worked on the question E.1.1. The question requirement was to compare the distribution of number of views, likes, and comments for the videos using histograms of their respective variable overlays by using kernel density function or KDE. So first, this command is used to ignore any warning messages related to deprecated options. And then we load our data in the CSV file. We specify the columns that we would like to analyze, like view count, like count, or column count, comment count. Next, we create a figure with 3 subplots for each variable using matplotlib with size mentioned. Then in this part of the code, what we are doing is we plot the histogram. We plot the histogram with the kernel density of KDE. KD is equal to true using Cbon, and finally, then we display our data. And as you can see in this data, all of these graphs, they are right skewed. That means that most of the videos have low engagement, like either it is views, likes, and comments, with few outliners, like very few. As you can see, these the very few ones that have very high engagement. And there's a connection between as social media is, there's a connection between video popularity and the number of views, likes, and comments. Only a small number of videos that are uploaded by the publisher gets a large portion of the engagement, while the other majority gets less. That I worked on was E.1.2, and the task requirements were simple and were to calculate the total number of views, likes, and comment for the videos published by the channels. After calculating, what we have to do is compare each variable of each channel with each other. So first we load our data from the CSV file into the data frame using pandas. Next, we calculate the total number of likes, views, and comments for each publisher using group by functionality, and I print all of those total views, likes, and comments right here. Then we create subplots to visualize total views, functions, and total views, likes, and comments by each publisher. And for each subplot, we plot the total views, likes, and comment using the bar plots. And you can see that these are the title, X labels, and Y labels. What that will be presented here. This is the title, this is the Y label, this is the X label. So that's how we define all of the bar plots, and then we directly just like display the plot. And as you can see here, like in terms of these categories, we can see that BBC News is winning in all of them. It has the maximum number of views, maximum number of comments, maximum number of likes, everything. BBC has maximum. It is followed by CNN News, Fox News, and MSNBC. And like the observation that I got was that in terms of categories like comments, likes, and view, BBC has been on top, following CNN, Fox News, and MSNBC in the exact order. CNN is a little short of BBC News in terms of comments, and MSNBC is very short on comments, like views and comments, views, and likes as compared to all others. Fox News has lower ratio of views but has a good competition in the engagement of audience in the comment section. Not as good as BBC and CNN, but still good. And BBC has around 20 million more views than CNN, around 3 lakh more, like BBC has around 20 million more views than CNN, around 3 lakh more views than more likes than CNN, but only around 10,000 more comments. So this was one of the observations as well. Okay, so I worked on, from the E2 section, I worked on the question E.2.7. And in this question, I had to compare the average number of videos published per week across different channels, different news publishers, and definitely use a visualization and discuss our observations. So first I loaded my data in a video underscore df data frame, and we convert the published at column to date time and extract the week of publication. I took this this specific code from the data clean functionality that was already provided us in the D1. And after calculating the average number of videos published per week, this is how we calculate the average number of videos per week. And this will be saved in the like videos per week data frame under the name num videos. Like as you can see here, I printed videos. Each week has been represented by year, month, week, and under each channel title we have the number of videos that they uploaded in the specific week. Then we calculate the average videos per week. We make sure that we just mean all of the values. We take a mean of all of those values and group by it in the average videos per week. And this is how it comes out to be that BBC News uploads 2.17 videos per week, CNN uploads 1.6 videos per week, Fox News as an average of 2.63, and MSNBC about 2.17. And just for information, all of these videos have comments greater than 300. They have more than 300 comments. And yeah, this is the part where we create a bar plot to visualize. Yeah, so let's discuss the observations. It can be observed that most amount of videos are uploaded by Fox News with an average of about 2.6 videos per week, followed by MSNBC with about 2.2 videos per week, and BBC News and I'm sorry, BBC News and BBC News has also 2.2 videos per week, followed by CNN with about 1.6 videos per week. Even though BBC News and CNN are the most popular, they do not upload more than the other publishers. And this shows that the audience prefers content over quantity. I'm sorry.